Hello everyone. So class 9 geometric sequence series को आज हामी लास्ट क्वेशन नम्बर 13 गर्न गइरहेछौं र क्वेशन नम्बर 1 देखि 12 सम्म हेर्नु भएको छैन भने हाम्रो पार्ट 1 देखि पार्ट 8 सम्म भिडियोजहरु हेर्नु होला from where I solved from question number 1 to question number 12 र आज हामी question number 13 लास्ट क्वेशन गर्न लागेछौं. So question number 13 मा हेर्न सकिन्छ culture contains 100 bacteria. Okay, एउटा कल्चरले कति bacteria contain गर्छ 100. In the second day there are 300 bacteria present, and in the third 900 bacteria are present. So सुरुमा के छ 100, then 300 and then 900. यसरी फर्स्ट डे मा 100 bacteria छ, सेकेन्ड डे मा 300 bacteria, and in third day 900 bacteria are there. After that, how many bacteria will be there in the 8th day? 8th day मा कति bacteria हुन्छ? यो क्वेशन ज्योमेट्रिक सिरिज सँग रिलेटेड छ. तपाईलाई क्वेशन पढ्दा नै थाहा हुन्छ किनभने यो रेशियो को आधारमा इन्क्रिज भइरहेछ. डिफरेन्स इक्वल छैन. जस्तो यहाँ 100, यहाँ 300. डिफरेन्स कति छ 200. अगेन 300 and here 900. अगेन कतिले 600 इन्क्रिज भएको छ भनेको डिफरेन्स इक्वल भएन, रेशियो इक्वल भयो. कसरी रेशियो इक्वल भयो? 300 by 100 गर्दा डिवाइड गर्दाखेरि कति हुन्छ 3 हुन्छ. 900 डिवाइडेड बाइ 300 डिवाइड गर्दाखेरि कति हुन्छ आन्सर 3 हुन्छ. भनेपछि रेशियो इक्वल भयो भने ज्योमेट्रिक सिक्वेन्स. सो क्वेशन नम्बर 13a, गिवन सिक्वेन्स इज, सुरुमा हामी के लेख्ने 100 लेख्नु पर्यो, एन्ड देन इन सेकेन्ड डे 300, in third day 900 bacteria are there, and so on. We have to find out how many bacteria will be there in 8th day. 8th day मा कतिवटा bacteria हुन्छ त्यो find out गर्नुपर्ने छ. So here what is the value of a? A भनेको first term, a is equal to 100, first term 100. r भनेको common ratio को formula t2 by t1. t2 भनेको 300 छ, 300 divided by 100 is equal to 3. Okay, up to here. Now what we have to find out? T8 we have to find out. How many bacteria will be there in 8th day? 8th day मा कतिवटा bacteria हुन्छ भनेपछि T8 find out गर्नुपर्ने. T8 को formula के हुन्छ? AR power 7. The value of A is 100 and the value of R is equal to कति छ 3 छ. So 3 power 7 we have to write. Let's calculate 100 into 3 power 7. 3 power 7 is equal to 2187 multiply with 100, 218700. So we get here 218,700 bacteria on 8th day. So we have to write in conclusion at last, compulsory, that there are 218,700 bacteria will be in 8th day. 8th day मा कतिवटा bacteria हुन्छ 218,700. Hope you understand this one. यति नै गर्नुपर्ने हो, एकदमै सजिलो, जस्ट यो ल्याङ्ग्वेजमा मात्र छ. Now look at B number. A girl saves rupees 400 during 1 month. एक महिनामा 400 रुपीज सेभ गर्छ, रुपीज 800 इन नेक्स्ट मन्थ, त्यसपछि 800 सेभ गर्छ, एन्ड देन रुपीज 1600 इन द थर्ड मन्थ. फेरि थर्ड मन्थमा कति सेभ गरेको छ 1600. भनेपछि डिफरेन्स इक्वल छैन, यहाँ रेशियो इक्वल छ. यो दुईटाको रेशियो डिवाइड गर्दाखेरि 800 डिवाइडेड बाइ 400 2, 1600 डिवाइडेड बाइ 800 2. ओके, रेशियो इक्वल छ. So this question is related with geometric sequence and series. If she continues her saving in this sequence, find her saving in the 8th month. 8th month मा कति सेभ गर्छ त्यो फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने. So given saving sequence, सुरुमा चाहिँ 400 सेभ गर्छ, and then 800 and then 1600 and so on, and we have to find out how much she will save in 8th month. You can see here, find her saving in 8th month. T8 find out गर्नुपर्ने छ. So here what is the value of A? Here A is equal to, first term is equal to कति छ 400, so write down here 400. After that we have to find out common ratio R को formula T2 by T1. T2 is equal to 800 and T1 is equal to 400. When you divide, how much we get here? 2. After this we have to find out T8. T8 निकाल्नु पर्ने छ. We have to find out her saving in 8 month. भनेपछि T8 formula AR power 7. The value of A भनेको कति छ 400 and R को value कति छ 2 छ. The value of R is 2, ratio is 2, whole power 7. Let's calculate this one. 400 into 2 power 7. 2 power 7 means how much? 2 power 7 is equal to 128. 128 multiply with 400. 400 सँग multiply गर्ने and we get 51200. 51,200. She will save 51,200 in 8 month. 8 month मा कति सेभ गर्छ 51,200. Now you can see here in question number C, there are 8 baskets full of flowers. Try to understand this question. There are 8 baskets full of flower. The number of flowers in each basket forms a geometric progression if the 4th and the 6th basket, 4th and 6th basket मा कतिवटा फ्लावर छ 54 and 486 flowers respectively. Find the number of flowers in the first and last basket. First basket भनेको T1 or A and last basket भनेको TN. त्यो find out गर्नुपर्ने छ. So number C मा हेर्न सकिन्छ. Here how many baskets are there? 8 basket. भनेपछि last basket भनेको T8 find out गर्नुपर्ने छ. मजाले बुझ्नु होला यहाँ. There are 8 baskets. How many baskets are there? 8 basket. भनेपछि last basket भनेको T8 हो. Last basket भनेको कतिवटा basket छ 8 वटा छ. तो last basket भनेको T8 भयो. So यहाँ 4th basket मा कतिवटा फ्लावर छ T4 is equal to 54. T4 को formula AR power 3 is equal to 54. Equation 1. After that 6th T6 is equal to how much? 486. र T6 को formula के हुन्छ AR power 5 is equal to 486. Equation 2. Now what we have to do? Divide these two equation. Equation 1 and 2 what we have to do? Divide. So we can write here dividing equation 1 and 2. Dividing equation 1 and 2. Let's divide this one. AR power 5 divided by AR power 3 is equal to 486 divided by 54. First में equation 2 लेख्ने माथि र तल equation 1 लेख्ने. अब हेर्नुस् त A and cancel. यो base same and in divide subtract the power. So 5 मा 3 subtract गर्दा कति हुन्छ 2 हुन्छ and then this 2 we have to subtract. 486 divide by 54 and we get here 9. Okay. अब यो R square is equal to 9 को प्लेस हामी के लेख्छौं 3 square लेख्छौं. Therefore R is equal to 3. So common ratio कति आएको छ 3 आएको छ. हामीले के फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने यहाँनेरि find the number of flower in first basket भनेको A को भ्यालु फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने छ. R को भ्यालु कति आयो 3 आयो. Now we have to put the value of R either in equation 1 or in equation 2 जुनमा राख्दा पनि हुन्छ and we get value of A. Putting the value of R in equation 1. Equation 1 मा राख्ने A R power 3 is equal to 54. A को A R को प्लेस मा हामी के राख्छौं 3 राख्छौं. 3 power 3 is equal to 54. A into 3 power 3 3 into 3 9 9 3 is 27 is equal to 54. अब यो मल्टिप्लाई मा छ भने के हुन्छ डिवाइड हुन्छ. A is equal to 54 divided by 27. Therefore A is equal to how much we get here 2. 7 to the 14 4 remaining 1 2 to the 4 1 5. So A is equal to कति आएको छ 2. हामीले के फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने find the number of flowers in the first and the last basket. So how many flowers in the first basket 2. So we can write there therefore there are 2 flowers. There are 2 flowers in first basket. First basket भनेको T1 A. Yes, first basket. Now we have to find out हाउ मेनी फ्लावर्स आर देयर इन लास्ट बास्केट. लास्ट बास्केट भनेपछि यहाँ कतिवटा बास्केट छ? 8 वटा बास्केट छ भनेपछि T8 फाइन्ड आउट गर्नुपर्ने. सो अगेन T8 लास्ट बास्केट फर्मुला AR पावर 7. A को भ्यालु कति छ? 2. R को भ्यालु R, what is the value of R? 3. 3 power 7. 2 into 3 power 7 is equal to how much? 3 power 7 and we get 2187. यो दुईटा multiply गर्ने into 2 and we get 4374. एकपल्ट क्याल्कुलेट आफै पनि गर्नु होला. And therefore what we have to write? Therefore 4374 flowers are there in last basket. What you have to write at last? Therefore there are 4374 flowers in last basket. Hope you understand how to solve what problems related with geometric sequence series. र आज हामी geometric sequence series कम्प्लिट गरेका छौं र यो पछिको कुन भिडियो ल्याउनु पर्ने हो प्लिज कमेन्ट पनि गर्नु होला. एन्ड धेरै स्टुडेन्टले क्लास 10 को पनि भन्दै हुनुहुन्थ्यो. सो धेरै छिटो क्लास 10 र क्लास 8 को पनि आउनेछ. धन्यवाद.